iNugGits Robotics STEM Academy. While universities focus on theory, iNugGits helps students master real skills, like programming the Otto DIY Biped robot using inverse kinematics. This technique is rarely truly learned, often replaced by simple, hard-coded angles. Our students don't just simulate robots, they program real robots. At iNugGits, we don't just use existing robotics books, we've written our own. iNugGits students outperform. They build, code, and apply math like inverse kinematics to real robots like Otto, mastering skills beyond what theory-driven college programs deliver, and that's what sets us apart from traditional university methods. Join iNugGits. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for a complete understanding of Otto's inverse kinematics. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.